Valentine's Day is supposed to be about love and appreciation, but why do we wait for that one day a year to give someone an affirmation? Think about the last time someone gave you a genuine affirmation. How did it make you feel? See, affirmations aren't just about love or romance. They build confidence, strengthen connections, and give people the motivation they need to keep going. And do you want to take a guess at how much they cost? Zero. Nothing. There are 5 types of affirmations that can change somebody's day. First one is express appreciation.
I appreciate everything you do for our family. The little things never go unnoticed.
The next one is recognize efforts or achievement.
I've noticed how much effort you've been putting in, and it's really paying off. Great job.
Another one can show understanding or support.
You don't have to go through this alone. I've got your back.
An affirmation can acknowledge personal or professional growth.
The way you've adapted and evolved in your role is really inspiring.
And finally, an affirmation can encourage continued effort.
Your hard work is paying off, and I know you're going to accomplish even more.
So here's the challenge. Don't just do it because it's Valentine's Day. Right now, send a text, an email, give someone a call, drop it in the comments. Show someone they matter with one of those 5 types of affirmations.